Welcome. If you're tired of getting random calls from unknown numbers on WhatsApp, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to silence unknown callers on WhatsApp so you can enjoy a little more peace and privacy. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app. Make sure you're on the main screen where all your chats are listed. From there, look at the top right corner, you'll see 3 small dots. Tap on those to open the menu and then select Settings from the drop-down options. Once you're in the settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where WhatsApp keeps most of the tools that help control who can see your information and who can contact you. Now, scroll down a bit until find the section called Calls. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside this section, you'll see a feature labeled Silence Unknown Callers. This is the key setting we want to adjust. Simply switch it on. Once you enable it, any incoming call from numbers that aren't saved in your contacts will be automatically silenced. They won't ring or disturb you, but you'll still see a missed call notification in case it turns out to be someone important. That's all it takes. In just a few quick taps, you've taken control of your call privacy on WhatsApp. No more distractions from unfamiliar numbers, no more interruptions during work or rest. This feature is especially useful if you're in group chats using WhatsApp for Business or just want a cleaner experience without random calls popping up. So go ahead and give it a try today. Open your WhatsApp, head to Settings, tap Privacy, then Calls, and turn on Silence Unknown Callers. It's a small change that makes a big difference in keeping your digital life quieter and more organized. Thanks for watching.